Good morning, Anishinaabe students. All of your teachers have talked to you about the brain and feelings and all the things that have been going on since last Monday. And the reason I'm talking to you today is to tell you that you are loved by me, and I miss you, and I want you to stay safe. These are unusual circumstances. First, there was the unusual pandemic, COVID-19, and now, again, there are the things that are going outside in your world, and it's scary. But there is hope. There's always hope. And that's what we have to look forward to, is the new beginning. This is kind of like a big storm. And I want you to know that I love you. I need you to listen to your adults and caregivers. I need you to stay safe. And I know that you are incredibly strong and resilient, and you know where to contact us if you need us. We are here. Love you loads. See you soon.